So today we are going to learn a new method for solving the quadratic equation is a formula method. In a yesterday session we have learned how to find out the roots of the given quadratic equation by factorization method. So let us see today formula method. This method is given in practice set 2.4. Your practice set 2.3 is omitted. So the formula is, you are going to write the variable given in the question minus b plus minus inner root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. You will see the term which is used in the formula is a, b and c, which we can get from the equation. Here plus and minus sign is used because you know that each quadratic equation have two roots. So one root will be written with the sign of plus and one will be written with the minus. I'll read the formula again. Minus b plus minus inner root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So let us solve practice set 2.4 and understand how to solve the equation by formula method. In practice set 2.4, question number 1 is, compare the given quadratic equation to the general form and write the values of a, b and c. This question we have done in practice set 2.1 as well, where you have to compare and make the equation in the standard form and write the values of a, b and c. So your first equation given here is x square minus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. So when you will compare it with the standard form, you will get a equals to 1, b equals to minus 7 and c equals to 5. Coming to the next equation, you will see equation is not arranged. So first you will arrange it. 2m square plus 5m will become minus 5m and minus 5 will become plus 5 equal to 0. Now you will compare it with the standard form. So you will get a equals to 2, b equals to minus 5 and c equals to 5. Third equation given here is y square equals to 7y. So it will be y square minus 7y equal to 0. Now compare it with the standard form. You will get a equals to 1, b equals to minus 7. As third term is not there, so c equals to 0. Now coming to the question number 2. The question is solve using formula. Solve using formula means you have to solve the given equation using formula. So now you are going to write comparing above equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So you know that we compare the equation to get the values of a, which is given here 1, b which is given here 6 and c which is 5. After getting the values, we are going to put the values in the formula, but before that we are going to find the value for b square minus 4ac. So it is 6 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 5. So square of 6 is 36. 4 ones are 4, 5s are 20. 36 minus 20 is 16. So we have found the value of b square minus 4ac. Now we are going to write by using formula. This is a step you are going to follow it. So your formula is, what is your formula? The variable given in the question is x is equals to minus b plus minus inner root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So we have the values for all. Now we are going to put it in the formula. Equal to minus from the formula, the value of b is 6 plus minus inner root b square minus 4ac is 16, we have found here, upon 2 multiplied by 1. 2a will become 2 multiplied by 1. So equals to minus 6 plus minus the root of 16 is a perfect square. The root of 16 is 4 upon 2 ones are 2. So now you are going to write it with once with the plus sign and once with the minus sign. So 6 plus 4 upon 2 or minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. So it will be minus 2 upon 2 or minus 10 upon 2. So it is divisible. When you will simplify it, you will get minus 1 or minus 5 are the root of given quadratic equation. Your question number 2 is, the equation given here is x square minus 3x minus 2. Same, comparing above equation with the standard form of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So a is 1, b is minus 3 and c is minus 2. We will find out b square minus 4ac. So your b is minus 3 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 2. Now the square of minus 3 is 9. Minus minus plus. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. Now by using formula, you are going to write the formula and put on the values. Minus from the formula, and the value of b is minus 3 plus minus root b square minus 4ac we have found 17 upon 2 multiplied by 1. So minus minus plus, it will be 3 plus minus root 17 will be as it is because 17 is not a perfect square and it is a even odd number. 2 ones are 2. So your answer will be 3 plus root 17 upon 2 or 3 minus root 17 upon 2 is the root of given quadratic equation. Now your equation number 3 is 3m square plus 2m minus 7 equals to 0. Comparing above equation with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So a equal to 3, b equal to 2 and c equals to minus 7. Finding b square minus 4ac. So 2 square minus 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by minus 7. The square of 2 is 4. Minus minus will become plus. 4 3s are 12 and 12 7s are is 84. So 4 plus 84 is 88. So now we are going to put all the values in the formula. Equal to minus, the value for b is 2 plus minus root 88 upon 2 multiplied by 3. Now you will see 88 is a prime number and prime number have a factor. So we are going to split this factor. The factor for 88 we are going to take is 4 multiplied by 22. So here it will be equal to minus 2 plus minus inner root 4 multiplied by 22 upon 2 multiplied by 3. So equal to minus 2 plus minus 4 is a perfect square, it will come out of the root 22 as it is. 2 3s are 6. Now you can see there are two terms in numerator. In this two term 2 is common because 2 is there for both the term. So we'll take out the common. So 2 is common. So what is left here? Minus 1. Plus minus as it is. 2 is common. Root 22 upon 6. Now it can get 1s are 3s are. So equal to minus 1 plus root 22 upon 3 or minus 1 minus root 22 upon 3 is a root of given quadratic equation. Now after third question, question number 4 and question number 5 is omitted. Question number 6 you are going to solve it, practice it and write in the fair notebook. Then you are going to turn your page on page number 44 at the top. Question number 3 is given. Same thing you have to do with that activity based question. You have to solve, you have to compare it and find out the values of a, b and c. Then you have to find the value of b square minus 4ac. Then by using formula method, you are going to find the root of the given quadratic equation. Thank you.